everyone? Hope y'all are doing marvelous. Appreciate y'all for tuning in with me on another meal prep session. And in this one, I'm gonna go ahead and cook some New York strip steak. Now this came from Aldi. It is also grass-fed and it's minimally processed. So when you look at the ingredients, you'll notice here that, the saturated fat content is about 8 grams. It's not as bad as it could be, if you go for your steaks that are typically, highly processed, ultra processed or what have you. Now, as you can see, I've already went ahead and trimmed all the fat up off of my steaks. So, and I cut them into dices too. So now all I can do is just simply toss them in here on my sheet. Now I'm gonna just separate these a little bit, because these are gonna go in the oven. And of course, anytime you handle raw meats, you do wanna wash your hands frequently. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the seasonings that I'll be using. So of course, I first have avocado oil. That's the oil I'll use to coat these with. Then dash the table blend seasoning. I just recently bought this one and it tastes good. Same thing, here's another one I recently bought, is lemon pepper dash. And of course, garlic powder. Alright, as you can see, my oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And then occasionally, as the time goes down, we'll be checking it anyway, because the goal that I'm going for here with these steak tips is about medium well. So, I'm gonna be checking it periodically just to make sure it doesn't, cook, more than medium well. I typically do eat well steak, so if it goes to well, I'm not, I'm not gonna trip over that. But, I'm going for medium well. So about 20 minutes at 400 degrees, we'll see what happens. This is essentially what your steak tips will look like if you decide to make steak tips. Of course, you can cook the steak whole, that's up to you. But the reason I'm doing steak tips is because for this week, for my meal prep, I'm replicating a recipe that I saw when I, go to the Yard House. They have these bowls, chicken, steak, or shrimp. And, it comes with some of the other vegetables. It's got like snap peas, bok choy, carrots, red pepper flakes, red onions, and it's got quinoa and brown rice in it. So I'm kind of replicating that this week with steak. I normally get chicken when I actually go out to the restaurant. So we'll see how it turns out.